Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.21 in Forex, but here's the kicker, momentum is at minus 0.55. That discrepancy is unusual. It hints at a potential divergence between current sentiment and recent price action. With 17 semantic clusters in play, you have a rich tapestry of insights to explore. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment data, including sentiment scores and momentum metrics, allowing you to make data-driven decisions in your trading strategies. Imagine using this information to identify potential reversals or continuations in your trading strategy. You could set alerts based on sentiment shifts versus momentum to spot key entry or exit points. Ready to dive in? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.